This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by K. Barfield Traficante. Nicely dated 2-1 condo in 55 plus community. Second floor unit on the riverside of King Mountain / Mike. Tiled throughout, has large private, serene balcony / porch, master bedroom has walk-in closet, renovated kitchen, new counters, sink, range. Newly remodeled bath with all new plumbing, full impact glass windows in 2018, air conditioner 2017 and carbon monoxide detectors. Complex has new Hotwire high-speed internet for a low monthly fee of $40. Amenities include, kayak ramp and kayak storage, fishing dock, clubhouse west / kitchen and dining hall, golf, gym, swimming pool, billiard room, bocce ball, shuffleboard, library, barbecue area and more. No trucks. Units cannot be rented out for first 3 years and 90 days of residency. 1 rental per year, minimum 3 months, max 7 months. Seller will give buyer $500 credit toward new dishwasher. For more information, review the details below or contact K. Barfield Traficante at 954-693-0100.